Today I'm going to show you how I contour and highlight my face. I have already applied the foundation and now let's jump to contouring. Hi, I'm Meghna Rao and you're watching me on Femina India. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. I'm going to start with contouring my cheekbones because that's usually what I begin with, and I draw a line here in the middle of my cheekbone, and I don't recommend going too low because as you blend it goes down a bit any which way, so you do it evenly on both the sides. Now moving on to the forehead, I have a smaller forehead so I just usually do it on the sides. Let me show you. A little bit here and here. Moving on to the jawline, I like to give it a little bit of shadow because it looks really good in photos. So just draw a thin line like that. Now we gotta snatch that nose, and it can be a bit tricky, but what I usually like to do is draw lines right on my nose instead of on the side because it just makes it look wider that way. So I just use a thin angled brush and I draw a line starting from my eyebrow down to the tip of my nose. Let's see. Then just join at the tip and just one line across at the top. Okay, that's it. So now we're going to blend this and move on to highlighting. So now I'm going to blend it, but make sure you don't over blend because you want to have that shadow. This is where you want to be. You want to be able to see that shadow. Blend forehead, slightly into the hairline. You take it down. You get rid of your double chin. And now moving on to the nose. So you just want to lightly dab onto it. Okay, so now let's move on to the highlight part. I'm gonna take my concealer, put it under my eyes. On the bridge of my nose. A little bit on my chin and a bit on my forehead, and we gotta blend that too. Okay, now so at this point of time I like to use my loose setting powder and do what we call baking. So now I'm going to take some translucent powder, dip my blender in and go over the sides of my nose and under my eye. Add a little bit here as well. So here it is, and we're gonna bake it for a couple of minutes. And when I usually do this, I just go ahead and do my eyes and my lips. But since it's already done, I think we can move on to the next step. It's been a bit, so now we're gonna take this brush and go over and take off this excess powder. Very lightly, just very gently. So now to finish off, what I usually like to do is go over my contour with my bronzer and some highlights. Just blend so that there are no harsh lines. So the highlight on the bridge, right at the tip. Well, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful, and I'm gonna try this out. So let me know how it goes. Stay healthy, stay safe. Love ya. Bye bye.